और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Menteri Ketenaga Social Welfare ubah polling doa ulong bagi sarkar kan saai khusnam da kasong pisah bagi sernat syaki pulit jongka anti narcotics task force kum kadak gajing itu ya gajing slur bagi jing tre sitom jongki banyakun persya ya Drok hak bagi layok kem ya ki nong Khaïi Drok ki buan rung syang ni gejala banyak ni on ai hak program kebalong lasai kesngi ha golfling Shushu ulong bandu nailar araja afsa hadu mentah lalaban pencisya ya ki sangut isnar nong Khaïi Drok ki badang yai beteng ban le ya ni kam wan hadien bala syak kemru mat dailing ba gajing menjul jong advisory committee bala kli do chief justice bala shong thaj bala pengat yaki ha section live huai jong prevention of illicit trafficking in narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances act kakhlai spa pra Ka advisory committee kala menjur ban set Phatok ya kong penhoi pertu kabala tiap kum kapun na thalas kain police station Hubert lamprang paler bala tiap kum Lungrit na mauyong pendeng rei nong ston Marwil nang ba baju tiap kum Marwil ubana lum pariat juwai Rintu G Saikia ubala tiap kum Pratap na Nongrim Hills ka Aisyah Khatun bala jutiap kum ke Pahari na Lower Paltan Bazar bat kini kin syak set Phatok shisnem
The state government is seized of the seriousness of and the gravity of the situation, which is why we have stepped up efforts and to track and control the movement of peddlers, both small and big players. In the course of our exercise, numerous cases have been unearthed, and just as recently as last week in the East Giant Hills district, there was a seizure of narcotics worth over rupees 4 crores, which is one of the biggest seizures so far. Now, in order to encourage more such activities on the part of the Dream Mission, as Minister in charge of Social Welfare, I will personally hand over some cash incentives and certificates to these personnel of the ANTF who braved all challenges in order to finally be able to track down, capture the culprits, and currently these are under police custody. So this program will be held tomorrow at the Directorate of the ANTF Golf Links at 12:30 p.m. People have also been wondering about the fate of some of the major drug peddlers in the state of Meghalaya, and whether after they have been detained, what happened to them, what kind of the execution of the rule of natural justice, what has transpired so far. So I am happy to share with you that from August 2024 till today, we have been able to successfully clear the detention orders of 5 major narcotics dealers, most of whom are repeat offenders. I say clear because those cases were referred to the advisory board, a 3-member board headed by a retired Chief Justice, and based on the approval of this advisory board, they have now been sent under Section 3.1. Section 3.1 of the Prevention of Illicit Trafficking in Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1988, which is briefly known in short form as PITS NDPS, which is an improvement over what at that point of time was an existing act, because this act now allows for the state to detain for a period of 1 year such repeat offenders. So I will share some details with you that in July 2024 and 22nd August 2024, we have cleared the detention of one Penhoy Nong Tru of That Lasken Police Station, West Chantier Hills. In January 2025, we have also cleared, the advisory board has given a favorable report for the detention of Hubert Lamthang Palia, again for a period of 1 year. Hubert Lamthang Khar of Mauyong Pendengrai Nomstoin. Third, the advisory board has also cleared a plea for the detention of Marwil Nangba of Lompariat locality, Jowai. Also, we have cleared the detention of Rintu G. Saikia alias Pratap, and also this lady known as Pahari, a person from our cantonment area. She is also being detained for that period of 1 year. Srimati Aslia Khatun, alias Pahari, resident of Lower Paltan Bazar, Lungrit GPS, for a period of 1 year with effect from 3rd February 2025. So that completes the detention orders under PITS NDP Acts for peddlers of narcotics.